Professor in Tribal Studies from Central Tribal University, Vijayanagaram, Andhra Pradesh. And her topic was, and her theme of paper was, Breaking the Chains of Exclusion. This is relating to the tribes. And there she talked about subaltern studies and Dalit studies, and also the historical context of tribes, and unsung tribal heroes like Alluri Sitaramaraju and Komram Bhim, and how they were documented digitally nowadays, and how their names were given to the districts in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana as well, and how is the literacy gap in the tribes, among the tribes, and the ratio of population and literacy rate. And she talked about the dropout rates. Is the main reason behind the dropout rates is cultural aspect, and that too there is much difference between girl dropout rate and boy dropout rates. This is because of cultural aspect she indicated, and she talked about many other social challenges, that is alienation and displacement of these tribes due to construction of dams, roads and railways and all. And she talked about indigenous student experiences in education system, and 5-year plans, how tribes and tribal welfare was included in the 5 years plans. And she has given a suggestion that instead of trying to teach something to the tribes, she asked us to learn from the tribes first, and then after that teach something about the modern technology and all. There should be some empathy while we are dealing with tribal people. This was her message. And the remaining 4 papers are by the students, and they are, one is from Rashid and Sajid. They are social work students, masters in social works from Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Amarkantak, from AP. And their paper is Migration Among Bone Tribes, Causes, Consequences and Future Aspects. And they talked about the cultural and the artistic aspects, and they mainly focused on bone art. And there was an empirical qualitative and quantitative methodology. They have done their research, and they also talked about social and economic impacts of this migration of bone tribes. And another paper is also from the same university, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Amarkantak, MP, that is Madhya Pradesh. This is about social exclusion and marginalization of bygone tribes in MP, historical and contemporary perspectives. They told that these tribes, this bygone tribe was not aware of the government policies that were being implemented in that state. And here Shivan expressed and given some personal experiences also of his own observation, that there is still some exclusion even in the seminars that were being conducted about these tribes and all. And this was stated by him. And another paper by Rashmita and Mahesh. This is from Kakatiya. They are the students of Kakatiya University. It's a demographic and working aspects of the village economy, a micro level study. It's a study on Galipalli village and how the self-help groups have supported them to develop themselves. And the final paper is about tribal communities development and economic empowerment. This is by Assistant Professor of Political Science, Dr. Suvarna Devi from Government Degree College Women's, Siddipet, and she stated that her main slogan or suggestion is that live and let live. This is the culture of bones, and this has been observed during her study. These are the papers I have attended, and I have observed these findings.